Now we're going to learn two more notes. I'm going to teach you the notes F and G. And by adding those to the C, D, and E that we learned before, you'll have more than half of a C major scale. So first, here is how you play an F. You use the first valve by itself, and the F sounds something like this. Now I'm going to show you how to play a G. The G is another open note like the C, but a little bit higher. The G sounds something like this. So by adding the notes F and G to the notes that we learned before, C, D, and E, you get more than half of the C major scale. One right after the other. C, D, E, F, G. That's the first 5 notes of a C major scale. And you can use those notes not only for songs, but to learn some exercises for your instrument. It's like muscle building for musicians. It makes us strong players and makes us better at what we do. So here's a warm-up exercise that you can do using just those 5 notes. Remember, you're going to start on C, then you're going to go up to D, then up to E, then up to F, then up to G, then down to F, down to E, down to D, down to C. And we're going to do that a few times in a row using half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Now, I want you to remember to use your tongue for each of these notes because that will make the music very clear. That was half notes. Now, let's do it as quarter notes. Now, let's do it as eighth notes. By doing that simple exercise at the beginning of each practice session, you will really strengthen all of the techniques you've learned so far, and you'll really build the muscles that you need to build in order to be a great trumpet player.